This Pinterest account only has 79 followers but receives 82,000 monthly views. In this video, I'll show you how to find viral pins so you can earn daily commissions. You don't need millions of followers, even beginners can do this. This is the only tutorial you need to watch to start your journey with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and dive straight into the video. Before we start using Pinterest to drive free traffic to your affiliate links, it's important to find the right niche. I discovered this pin idea by using trends.pinterest.com. Just open up a new tab and type in trends.pinterest.com. Click enter, and this tool allows you to research different keywords. You can search for a keyword here, perhaps inspired by trending products on TikTok or Amazon, or based on an idea you had. For instance, if you are interested in gardening, you can type in gardening and you can see various related keywords and their current trends. Gardening for beginners, gardening tips, gardening ideas, and as you can see, they have a graph pointing to the downside, so we can try another keyword. For instance, home decor ideas. Let's click on this one right here. We get a graph which shows us interest over time. We get related trends, related keywords, demographics, and popular pins that we can check out and get some inspiration for our pins. Let's go back to our graph, and what we can get from this graph, we can see that this keyword, this home decor ideas keyword, is getting traffic and interest throughout the whole year. That's great. That's what you need to be looking for. Now, to further research this keyword, we can go back to Pinterest and search this keyword, home decor ideas. In this video, I'll be focusing on video content, so we can click on this filter and click on videos. Click apply, and we can check out some of these videos. For example, the first one. This is the account I showed you before. We can click on this account, and as I showed you before, it has only 79 followers but 82,000 monthly views. This is actually pretty good, and we can see their posts, we can get some inspiration. For example, let's click on one of these, and these videos might be taken from Instagram or TikTok. You can see this Instagram link right here, and in this video I will show you how to legally repost videos from others on your Pinterest account and make money from it. You can grow your Pinterest account from scratch and monetize it in different ways without needing a camera or spending money on content creation. You can copy and paste free content within the next 10 minutes, and I'll explain exactly how it works. First things first, as in this example, every Pinterest account has a banner, has a logo, and the description section, the so-called bio, which represents the account's theme. As in the example, inspiration and ideas for neutral and modern organic decor. It's important to stick to a single niche. Use Pinterest trends to identify a promising niche and focus exclusively on that one to avoid spreading your efforts too thin. Stay focused and don't get distracted by other niches. Now I already have some accounts, but I'll show you how to add a new one. So click on add account and choose create a new personal account. Click on create, type in your email, create your password and your birth date. Next, just follow the prompts and choose your options. What's your gender? For me it's male. Where do you live? I'll just choose English and United States. What are you interested in? Just click on some of these. Man, Jordan, home interior design, home decor, choose whatever you want. Click on next. Now what you need to do is to convert this personal account to business account. This gives you more analytics and more graphs to help you in the future. Click on this arrow right here and click on convert to business. This is completely free, and click on upgrade. Describe your business. We can choose content creator. Click on next. We can choose a business name. We can name our business Fantasy Home. You don't have a website, so I'll choose I don't have a website. What are your business goals? Just choose increase online sales, drive traffic to your site, and create content on Pinterest to grow an audience. What's the focus of your brand? We can choose home. Click on done. Where would you like to start? Let's click on grow your audience. Click next, and this is basically it. We just created a brand new Pinterest account. Now all we need to do is to create a banner, a logo, and write our description, our about section, or so-called bio. We can go to canva.com and search for Pinterest banner. Click enter, and you can basically choose whatever template you like. You can later on customize it, change text, change font, change images, and whatever you like. I'm choosing this one. Just click on this and click on customize this template. You can click on elements and type in home decor. Click enter and choose whichever image you like. For example, this one you can drag like this to a background, and we can delete this text, this pin, move it to the center, change the text to fantasy home, just like this. Of course you can add more images, change colors and everything, but I don't want to waste a lot of time in this video, just me crafting the template, so I'll just stick to this one. Now we want to download this template. Just click on share, click on download, and download this template. Now we can go back to Pinterest, can click on this plus icon right here, click on browse and choose our image. Click on done, and here we go. We already added our banner. All that's left to do is to create our logo and bio. For logo we can use Canva once again. We can close this tab and type in Pinterest logo. Click enter, and let's choose something simple like this one. Click on customize your template. You can once again click on elements, type in home decor, and what if we click on graphics? That's right. Let's choose this one right here, delete this, make it a bit smaller, move it to the center, and name it fantasy home. That looks good enough, so I'll just click on share, click on download, and download once again. Now we can close Canva and go back to our Pinterest account. Click on edit profile and click on change. Choose photo and choose the logo we just downloaded. Okay, for the name I chose my account name as fantasy home, but we can also add this line right here and add our keyword, our main keyword, which is home decor ideas, just like this. And for the about section we can go ahead and use ChatGPT and ask it to write a 200 character bio for a Pinterest account in home decor ideas niche, including hashtags and emojis. Click enter, and once ChatGPT generated our bio, we can copy it and paste it in our account, just like this. And that is basically it. If you have a website, you can add your link right here. You can change your username, and this is basically it. We can click on save. Just take a look at this. Our profile is completely transformed. It looks amazing. Now we can start making money with affiliate marketing. To find content for your Pinterest account, visit TikTok, Instagram, or other social media platforms and find influencers posting in your niche. In this video, I'll be focusing on mainly TikTok. So we can go to TikTok and search for home decor ideas. Click enter, and here you get a bunch of videos with a lot of views, and my recommendation would be to choose the video with the highest views or most relatable to your niche. This is a great video that I found that is in the home decor ideas niche, and all I have to do is just copy the link of this video by clicking here, and we can now go to a website called snaptic.app. We can paste our link right here, click on download, and download once again. The reason we are using this website is to eliminate all the watermarks that TikTok adds on their videos, and this tool does a great job. Next, go back to your Pinterest account, click on create a pin, and upload the video we just downloaded, just like this. As you can see, there are no watermarks, so it looks good. Now what you want to do is to add a title. For the title, we can go back to this TikTok and just copy the title from here. Go back to your Pinterest and paste it over here. Now for the description, we can go back to ChatGPT, copy our prompt, paste it right here, and change bio to a description for a Pinterest pin in home decor ideas niche, including emojis. That's great. Just copy this. And it also added some hashtags, but my idea was to add hashtags from this TikTok right here. You can copy those and add right here. Now the most important part is to credit the original creator. To do that, we can click on enter, add some gaps, just like this, and type in credit at, and go back to this TikTok, click on their account, copy their username, paste it right here, and we can just tag like this. Additionally, you can ask them for permission to use their content. Okay, so our description is crafted, and now for the destination link, this is where you can start earning money from your pins. Here's a creative idea. We can use a website called kit.co and create your kit with a bunch of different products in it. For example, this is several of my kits that I used in my previous videos. These kits include affiliate links that you can add to your store. Also, I have to add that you'll need an Amazon Associates account, which will take you a maximum of 15 minutes to create. And once you got your Amazon Associates account, just scroll to the top of a page and copy your store ID. Go back to kit.co, click on your profile, click on edit profile, click on monetize, and this is where you connect your Amazon Associates account to your kit.co account. This is how you can make money. So click on Amazon and add your tracking ID that we just copied from Amazon Associates account in this right here. It depends on in which country you registered. Now let me demonstrate how it works. Click the plus icon on the top right corner of this page and let's create a new kit. Give it a name, home decor ideas, and click on next. Now the best approach is to find similar products as in our video. To do that, we can go back to this video. You can watch it on TikTok and skip it through. The first item we can see is to add mirrors. So what we can do, we can go back to our kit.co and just type in mirror. Click enter, and as you can see, we get a bunch of products straight from Amazon, a bunch of mirrors. So what we can do, what my recommendation would be, is to add at least 3 to 5 mirrors, different shape of mirrors to this kit. So we can just click on this plus icon and click on add to kit. I'll add one more, but I recommend you to add several of these different products. Okay, let's go back to our video and check what other products we need to recommend. Add fox flowers. Let's go back to our kit.co and type in fox flowers. Click enter, and we can just click on plus once again and add to kit. So basically you just rinse and repeat this process with all of your products. And I think we have a third product. Let's take a look what it is. It is a pampas. Let's type in, click on enter, and add a few of these. Once you're done, you can click on view profile and click on your kit. Aim to include at least 10 to 15 different products to provide value. People searching for home decor and inspiration on Pinterest are looking for ideas to enhance their homes. By providing a convenient link for them to purchase all the products, we are assisting them directly. This is how you generate income, by offering value and assisting others with achieving their goals. Now we can copy the link to our kit. Just click on these 3 dots and copy link to share. Go back to your Pinterest account and paste this link in the link area right here. Also, we can create a board. Let's name it home decor ideas and choose create a board. Now all that's left to do is just click on publish. This is how my first pin on this account looks right now. Then someone views it and clicks on the link to visit the store and purchase the items shown in the image. You'll earn affiliate commissions because all these products are connected to Amazon. If you have an Amazon Associates account, you can start earning affiliate commissions easily. Okay guys, this sums up our video. I hope you found value in this one. To see more free tutorials on how to start making money with affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.